Hi everyone, this is Yad from the Tech channel and welcome to this new unboxing and review. Today I'm gonna unbox and review LaCie 5TB mobile drive. This drive actually, unfortunately, there's no information if it's really hybrid, if it's really SSD, if it's really mechanical drive. But this is really one of the fastest drives now in the market. I tried it and I want to share my experience with it, so stay tuned. LaCie made more than one size for this hard drive. There's different option: 5TB, 4TB, 3TB, or 2TB. This hard drive compatible for Windows and Mac, and I believe also you can use it if you have mobile support Type-C. So the interface of it, USB 3.1, supported of use cable Type-C, works with Thunderbolt 3 and USB 3 as I said before, and the dimension of this hard drive is 91mm is the wide, 124 is the height, and 20mm is the depth of it. And he comes with 1 month free from Adobe, supported just to try the Adobe product. The weight of it, 340 grams. And when you open it, then you will see actually the quick install guide for both of the systems, Windows and Mac. And of course, there's some information in a lot of languages. And now we come actually to the main hardware, and he comes also with 2 USB cables Type-C, of course just one from the 2 sides, and one Type-A and one Type-C. And as you see, this is the long of the cable of it, so it's about ½ meter. And as you see, the shape of it, it comes with an almost curvy corner, so it's not really a sharp corner, it's also not really a curvy, but it's just a new design. I like it actually. So, and he's also not so big, like you can actually handle it in your hand. Something you will notice very quick when you just plug it, that it's not really 5TB, it's really 4.54 terabyte. And when you just also open what on the hard drive itself, it's told you about the warranty, and there's also a link just to register the hard drive on the website just to get the warranty. If we are going to copy and paste some files on it, so I notice that on MacBook it's more faster than on Windows. Maybe it's that because there's actually different in the motherboard on MacBook, and there's also a different speed write and reading on Mac more than Windows, because on Mac it's just come from just one company who made actually almost everything perfect. But on Windows, you know, like you have actually, you're gonna buy a SSD hard drive from a company, you're gonna buy also a motherboard from another company, you're gonna buy, it's really a different purchase from different companies. So as you see here, I also bought Logitech hard case. I thought maybe it's the perfect choice for me, but when the hard drive it's arrived, then as you see here, I just put it, it's really not fit. The hard drive is bigger than this hard case and you can't use it. So I return it and then order a new one. This one, it's from a brand called Orico. I don't really know if it's I'm spelling it right, but as you see, it's really big. It also has an additional bucket if you want to put really maybe another hard drive, if you want also to put any other things in it. As you see here, it's really fitted and perfect for it, just as the size of it. So I have here also, as you see, Samsung T5. Also you can put it in it, so you can take it also with you. Unfortunately, or it's not really that big deal, but of course you can choose between maybe if you have another hard drive, or if you have also a CF card reader. If you didn't see the CF card reader video, I will just put the link below, then you can see it on my channel also. Of course, you can also put the cable in it. Last things that I want to mention for this channel is for Arabic speaker and for English speaker. So when I upload a video in Arabic, he will be translated to English, and it's also overall. So if you like it, please give a like, share and subscribe, and feel free also if you want to support me via Patreon and also via PayPal. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.